everyone, welcome to my treasure the what. Hope you are doing good and I hope you have been watching all of our videos. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and do write a comment if you like what you have seen so far. So, a week ago, I saw this really deep blue butterfly in a vision. And at first, I was just planning to paint it and add it to my collection of nature themed paintings because I felt like this was something prophetic and God is speaking to me through this vision. If you have been around here for a while, you probably already know this. I really like butterflies a lot, especially colorful ones. But butterflies for me are more than just something pretty. Whenever I think about them, they remind me of freedom, of victory, of deep joy, which is something very personal to me that I have experienced with God. So, when I saw this dark blue butterfly, I didn't want to just paint it on its own. I wanted to place it in something calm, something peaceful, almost fairy tale like, an environment of joy. And that is exactly what I am painting over here, a peaceful little fairy tale forest with beautiful little pink bell flowers. You probably already know that I love nature. You know, I have realized that when we actually slow down and take time to admire creation, we start seeing the creator behind it all. Nothing God has made is random. Everything carries meaning. Seeing things from nature, whether in real life or even in little moments like this, has sparked a curiosity in me. It's made me want to stop and ask, what's special about this? What can I learn from it? And honestly, understanding the qualities of different things in nature has spoken into my life more than I expected. For me, butterflies speak about deep freedom. So I am curious, have you ever experienced that? God speaking to you through nature, through His beautiful creation? So, is the final look of my painting. I hope you enjoyed this video and were blessed by it. Please let us know in the comments. And if you are new around here, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.